New for model year 26 is the liquid management system on 4450 sprayers. With a couple ways we can get there. We can either go through the liquid management quick tab or click on my cards menu, go to my sprayer rear, click on the liquid management system on the right hand side, then simply hit launch. From here, we're going to just quickly go through all of our valves. So to start off, we have our product tank rinse valve, the suction quick fill valve if installed, our sparge valve, the product pump, the product tank sump, the product tank icon, the boom recirculation check valve if installed, the rinse tank check valve, the enable rinse tank valve to product pump, the rinse tank icon, the rinse tank valve, the enable rinse tank to fill hand valve, the boom recirculation electric valve if installed, the enable front fill air reclaim if installed, the front fill electric valve if installed, the front fill air reclaim check valve if installed, the boom blowout, the boom purge valve, our left fence row, our section valves, and our right fence row.